What should you expect when selling your home this summer? So you're thinking about selling your home, but you're not sure what to expect. Maybe you've heard it's still a good time, or perhaps you're wondering why some homes are selling and others are sitting. Well, the truth is the market is shifting. Inventory is up. Buyers have more options, and they're taking their time. If you want to sell quickly and avoid price cuts, there are a few things you need to do before you list. Let me walk you through 3 simple ways that are essential to help you stay ahead of the market this summer. Number 1, fix the little things before you list and consider bigger improvements. First things first, get ahead of buyer objections. Most buyers right now are tight on cash because of higher interest rates. That means they don't want to take on repairs after closing. So before you list, walk through your home and look for anything a buyer might flag. Loose doorknobs, scuffed walls, leaky faucet in the bathroom, fix it now. These might seem like minor issues, but together they shape how your home feels and whether a buyer sees it as move-in ready or a project. If those repairs are needed during the inspection, they could cost you more later or even kill a deal. You may even want to invest in a pre-inspection to address buyers' fears before they arise. We can also give you expert advice on improvements or remodeling options. Some improvements generate good ROI, others can be a waste of money. Each house is unique, and while paint and carpet usually generate the best return on investment, we've seen other strategic improvements generate tens of thousands of dollars for our sellers. Number 2, create a space buyers can picture themselves in. Next up is depersonalizing and staging. This means creating a clean, neutral space that helps buyers imagine living there. Start by decluttering. Clear off countertops, remove extra furniture, and box up anything personal like family photos or bold artwork. You want the space to feel open and calm. Also, if you have colored accent walls or carpet, you'll likely want to repaint or replace those with a tasteful neutral tone. Beware of making design selections on your own. Choosing the right colors is trickier than you think, and most people get it wrong, no matter how much HGTV you watch. We're here to help you consult and help you make tasteful selections that will up your odds for a great sales price. We'll also teach you how to work with what you have in terms of your furniture and decor, or make recommendations for additional pieces or bringing in a professional stager if needed. Number 3, make a plan for showings. Here's something many sellers overlook: how your home feels during showings matter. If you have young kids or pets, keeping the house clean and distraction-free can be tricky. That's why it helps to plan ahead. Talk to us about the best times to show your home and set a schedule that works for you. Selling a home in 2025 is absolutely doable, but it takes the right prep and a smart plan. Fix what needs fixing, stage your space to show it off, and make it easy for buyers to visit. If you want help figuring out what to start on or where to focus, we're happy to walk through these things with you. Just reach out, let's put together a plan that helps your home sell quickly for the best possible price.